DV is a lightweight software utility designed for the DV2Plus Viscometer. It streamlines data collection, method creation, file conversion, and real-time monitoring, ideal for QC labs, R&D teams, and production environments. Connect seamlessly to the DV2Plus via Bluetooth or USB to view and manage live test data in real time, enabling a more efficient and organized workflow. With DV you can build test methods with up to 25 steps. In addition, users can easily load and convert existing DV2T and DVNext test methods and results. DV is built for the future of viscosity testing, delivering seamless data management and enhanced testing flexibility.